Hello future creators, we are thrilled to announce that for the first time, we are launching our all-new YouTube Creators program designed specifically for you. So if you are just starting out or looking to refine your skills, this program offers comprehensive insights and strategies to help you succeed on your YouTube journey. Now, what do you get when you sign up for this program? You learn how to create a YouTube channel, how to edit your YouTube homepage, how to get products to review, how to research and write scripts about the product, how to plan your visuals, and even hook your audience in watching more of your content. We go ahead to explain what A-roll and B-roll is and what you should do before you press the record button. We go through how I set up for B-roll and A-roll shots, and if you're someone who uses your smartphone a lot, how to set up and record using your smartphone. We go through my recording setup, how to edit the videos with real footages to start practicing your edits, and even upload your videos on YouTube. But after uploading our content, it doesn't end there. We go through SEOs and how to make changes to the uploaded video and how to even get monetized on YouTube. So if this is something you are interested in, then join our community of passionate creators and take the first step to achieving your YouTube dreams. Enroll now using any of the links provided, and I'll be seeing you very soon.